Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a AI code assistant which is developed by JetBrains. JetBrains is a very popular company in making IDEs, Internet Integrated Development Environment for coding and web development. So they recently released this Juni smart coding agent. So if you download the JetBrains IDE, it will come by default, but if you are inside Visual Studio Code, you can also install their extension. So it's totally free here. It basically will offer AI auto completions, and also it will offer you to AI support inside IDEs. So this is their extension. So if you simply open your VS Code, simply go to extensions tab and simply type here JetBrains AI assistant, and if you just type this, you will see this will be the official extension will come by JetBrains. It's having 8,000 installs. So this is the extension for VS Code. So simply install this. So after installing this, you will get this AI code assistant support inside your VS Code itself, and you will be able to have auto completion support as well. So just wait for the extension to fully install, and now you will see on the left hand side, after installing it, it will be added right here. If you see JetBrains AI assistant, so just activate this by clicking this, and after this chat window will appear. Here you will be able to chat with the AI to answer your questions or troubleshoot any kind of programs. So just wait for the extension to fully load. So this is the actual extension, guys. First of all, you need to log in with your JetBrains account. So if you don't have a JetBrains account, you can basically log in with your Google account here. Simply continue and grant the permission. And once you are authenticated, you will be redirected. Just click create account. After you create this account, you will see authorization successful. And now after that, uh, you will see you can start your free trial. Licensing missing, so because it's a paid IDE, so that's why you need to, they do have their pro plan as well. If you see, you can buy the JetBrains IDE, unlimited code completion and local AI support plus a small cloud. So these are all the features in the free. You will basically get 30 days of AI Pro included. So this is, you can install this by clicking get started, and you can download their IDE, which is JetBrains IDE. So click on get started, and by default it will come right inside the JetBrains all IDEs. So click on get started, and you can install the AI assistant like this. So this is actually a plugin here which is responsible for this. But if you're using this VS Code, you can actually start your AI Pro trial, selecting and click select license and then click agree. After that, now you will be redirected to a chat window where you will be able to now submit any sort of question right here. This is similar to Claude and Cursor. Here you basically select the chat mode where you will be asking question about your code bases, or you can even just edit your files or agent mode as well. And these are all the AI models which are supported right here. If you see GPT, Claude, Gemini, and all these models are supported here. You can select any of these models, and right here you will basically select any of the code bases file here. You can attach, search your file. So just attach whichever file you are working with. So we will simply open the file here. So now I will open the JetBrains AI assistant. So I will say please remove all this code from this file and build a scientific calculator in browser using HTML, CSS. So we basically ask a question right here, and now based upon this, first of all, it will remove all the code from this file and then make a scientific calculator using the JetBrains AI assistant. So now it is generating the reply here. So just wait for the task to complete. So in the meantime, if you have any sort of code, it also provides you with auto completion suggestions as well. So as you write your code, so it will basically provide you with this completions, AI code completions. You can see that. So it basically makes the task way more easier. It will suggest you code, and this will significantly will increase the speed of your coding. So it provides you with this AI code completions, and just make a image to PDF app. So we basically say just make an image to PDF app. So now it will modify this file here and start constructing this image to PDF app. And now it is generating the replies. So this is a great extension, guys. You can definitely install it. Just JetBrains AI assistant, similar to Claude Copilot inside your VS Code. It does all the job for you. And the nice thing is that it's totally free. The AI auto completions will be unlimited. You don't need to pay anything for this. So you will get a chat prompt here. You can use any sort of model right here. Let me change this to Gemini 2.5 Flash. Make a image to PDF apps. So again, you see now it will use this Gemini 2.5 Flash model. So you can use all the premium AI models using this extension. So it's totally free to try. Simply install this and start working with your application. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.